Right now I'm on my Windows 11 computer on a Dell PC. The problem that I had occurred on my Windows 10 computer, which is a Dell also, but I have Camtasia on this one. I don't have it on the other one, and that's a more convenient way to record. So the situation again, as implied in the title, my mouse or the cursor on my mouse tends to go wild. I can't control it. Sometimes it freezes. The only good thing is I don't use that computer that often, and it does have a touch screen, but I'm kind of old school and like to work with my mouse. So I haven't resolved it. I've had that issue on that computer for several months, but since I don't use it that much, it didn't bother me. But then the other day I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and try to do something. So normally what I would do in the past when I would have that issue is it is wireless mouse, of course, so I check the batteries. If it had been a while since I put those batteries on, I'd go ahead and replace them. So I did that on that particular computer, and it didn't seem to do anything. And then the next thing I did was to go to Device Manager. And right here, mice and other pointing devices, update your driver. So I did that. And then search automatically for drivers. I checked on that. I didn't have any on my computer. The best drivers for your device are already installed. That's the message I got on my Windows 10. That computer's about 9 or 10 years old. So then over here at the bottom, say search for update drivers on Windows Update. So I did that a few days ago. Checked for updates, didn't get anything, and then I went to Advanced Options, and where I had optional updates right here, got that one. And notice it tells me on the right 2 are available. I hadn't gotten that message before when I would check for them on the other computer. Obviously at this one I got 2 there. And there they are. And this is what happened. This is what happened on the other computer. So in this one you have Microsoft, other hardware, wireless router, module, Dell incorporated driver, update. And if you click on them, you can download them. Now that's what I did on the other one, on the one I had the issue with. These are optional. I said, well, maybe they'll and I wasn't quite sure whether they pertain to a mouse cursor and so forth. But I said, well, it won't hurt. I can always uninstall them. So on that particular computer, I went ahead and installed them, downloaded and installed. Of course, here I'm not having an issue for this one, and it turned out to work. So I went ahead and tried the mouse out, and it's been a few days since I did that, and it's been working pretty good right now. And like I said, if it turns out that you downloaded some items or hardware or whatever updates you downloaded and you think you're having an issue, you can always uninstall them. So you can click here on back over here on the Windows Update. We have update history, and you have them by date, so you should be able to find the one or two that you downloaded. And over here you have other updates. And now if you want to uninstall the ones you downloaded because they're not helping your situation, and maybe it caused some kind of interruption with your computer, you can uninstall here. Just click on uninstall. And these are the Windows will only let you, in this case Windows 11 would only let me uninstall 3. The other ones, I guess it deems they're critical. So these are 3 that I can uninstall if I think they're causing some kind of issue with my computer. Now if it turns out that you still have the issue after downloading, or maybe you didn't find anything to download, you can go to your manufacturer's website, and you should be able to download some drivers there. Because usually, in my case, it's always been some kind of driver. The easiest fix I had was the battery. I replaced the battery and the mouse, and that worked. And also on my computer here, I have the Dell Assistant installed on mine. So this is another way I get drivers or assistance, any kind of assistance. Maybe I'm looking for something else to download. Now on the top here, the service plan, it says warranty has expired. So I haven't updated that. And here's my tag. If I need some kind of assistance or have an issue with my computer, I can still use this tag and tell them to sign me up again. And from here you can see I can get a full system scan, update software. This I can still do, even though my service plan has expired. Scan hardware, boost performance. But like I said, I did need to do all of this because when I did the Windows Update thing, I did find some optional ones. And I just unloaded whatever it had. I think there was one or two, I can't remember. And it fixed the issue. So, something to consider. Hope it helps you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.